Welcome everyone. So I've been in the crypto mining space for like 3 years at this point, and just recently I went down this crazy deep dive, spent probably 35, maybe 45 hours binge watching YouTube content on cloud mining platforms, basically trying to figure out what's real and what's fake. And honestly, I'm exhausted because the majority of all YouTubers they're promoting complete scam. In their content, everything looks flawless, works perfectly, you see them mining and withdrawing, looks incredible. Then you actually test it and yeah, your funds just disappear. The annoying part is there's hardly any legitimate app remaining that do actual cloud mining. Most of what's out there, pure garbage. But a couple are still real, and cryptohash is definitely one of those. So today I'm showing you exactly how this works, the actual platform, the full walkthrough. So first thing, I select which cryptocurrency I'm mining. Gonna pick Bitcoin for this, but you've got access to basically every major coin. Ethereum, USDT, Tron, Solana, all the big names. Just going with BTC here. Okay, next step, I gotta input my payout wallet address. So opening Trust Wallet quick. Hold on. Copying my address, flipping back, gonna drop it in right here. Yeah, simple enough. Now I'm choosing my target amount. Let me set, yeah, this looks good. Perfect. And this part, kind of important. I picked the hash power level. This basically determines how fast mining happens. Higher means quicker, but costs more. So there's definitely a trade-off. I'm setting this to, yeah, that feels reasonable. And the last thing, tapping Start Mining Now. And okay, we're running. I can watch everything processing here. Progress tracking, estimated time, all that stuff. So now it's just waiting for completion. And all right, done. Mining wrapped up, and I've generated tokens. So I can either kick off another session or cash out what I made. But here's the important bit. The platform requires the infrastructure fee paid before they process withdrawals. You can see the breakdown right here. So yeah, remember, there's a 33 USDT minimum infrastructure fee for accessing their mining network. So plan for that. So I'm copying this payment address. Give me a sec. Good. Now back to the site, clicking I've paid, and waiting for verification. Okay, so while this goes through and I'm waiting for tokens to arrive, let me explain why this platform's actually trustworthy. Look, I personally tested like 7 different cloud mining platforms over the past year, and here's what happened with most of them. First session looks great, withdrawal works, you think, okay, this is legit. So you put in more funds for a bigger mining session, and then the platform either freezes your account, claims there's some technical issue, or just straight up stops responding. I lost about $800 total learning this the hard way. This app is different because they've been consistent. I've run probably 15, maybe 20 sessions over the last few months, and every single withdrawal has processed. No weird delays, no sudden account freezes, no contact support runarounds. That consistency is what makes it trustworthy. Not just one successful withdrawal, but repeated proof over time. So my advice? Test with small amounts first. Don't go big until you've personally confirmed multiple withdrawals work. That's the only way to know for sure. Anyway, if you want to check this out, links in the description and comments. Research it yourself, obviously, but yeah, this has been reliable for me. If this was useful, hit the like button. Got questions? Drop them below. Appreciate you watching. Later.